Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine for best results. To begin, understand that L-Carnitine plays a key role in energy production by moving fatty acids. For most people, a daily dose between 500 milligrams and 2,000 milligrams is effective. It's always a good idea to start with a smaller amount, perhaps 500 milligrams, to see how your body responds before increasing. This helps ensure comfort and effectiveness. For optimal absorption, timing is crucial. It's best to take L-Carnitine with a meal that includes carbohydrates or protein. This combination helps stimulate insulin, which is vital for transporting L-Carnitine into your muscle cells. Many find taking it after a workout particularly beneficial, as it can support recovery and muscle repair. Consistency is more important than exact timing, but these tips can maximize its effects. There are different forms of L-Carnitine, each with unique benefits. L-Carnitine L-tartrate is often favored by athletes for its role in exercise performance and recovery. If you're looking for cognitive support, acetyl L-Carnitine is a great choice, as it can cross the blood-brain barrier. Propionyl L-Carnitine, on the other hand, is known for its potential benefits in improving blood flow. Choose the form that best aligns with your specific goals. To truly get the best results from L-Carnitine, consistency is paramount. Incorporate it into your daily routine, and remember that supplements work best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. This means maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients and engaging in regular physical activity. Always speak with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement to your regimen, ensuring it's right for you and your health goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.